Hope everybody's having a good day. Just got done with the first trip, about to go back our second time with everybody else and the rest of the supplies. Anything you gotta say, Brianna? Nope. Nothing. Not a busy day at all at the boat ramp. It was so nice driving the boat without any weight in it. I got on plane with all that weight in it. I'll show y'all what it was. It was a ton of weight, but we got on plane anyway. That's how the motor does it. The 90 Evinrude. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? We're out here at the beach finally. Took 2 trips. We got everybody out here. The boat jumped up on plane very easily for some reason with all the weight in it. Don't really know how to explain that. This everybody.
How you doing?
The subscriber giveaway special.
I'm so happy.
The three lucky winners. I'll show y'all all the crap we brought with us to hopefully not get kicked out. Huh. That's a weird something. An old anchor. Someone left some shoes. This is all of our stuff. 2 trips. We got on plane both times. Going pretty good. Hopefully this will be a 2-part video. Oh. How did my shirt get down there? Can't have anything nice with y'all. Oh, I chose the wrong subscribers, I think, but we'll see. We got all the fishing poles. Hopefully gonna catch some monster catfish tonight. About to walk down to the rope swing. See how that goes. Walk/swim. For some of us, Rena, not in her bathing suit yet. Well, she's halfway there, I guess. Off the beaten trip path. Working our way on the coastline. This is a kid-friendly channel, Cody? Christian YouTube channel. Wow, dude, free bucket back here. They don't teach you this in middle school. That's when I quit going.
The dump bucket.
Whoa. You gotta be a good climber out here. Hardcore parkour. I had many people train me. Sterling Johnson was my #1 subscriber. I'm surprised we haven't seen a snake or anything. Knock on wood. So glad. My goodness, we're deep back here, boys. I think we made it. We are here, Rope Swing Cove. Oh, they extended the rope, Rihanna. Yeah, they beat us to it. Here she is. We all made it successfully. All right, let's make it quick. Let's just yank him up here and let it go. Cody, I think you're on the wrong side. Let go. I guess that somewhat. Of course, the videographer we brought along on the trip.
All right, let us know when you're set. All right, here we go. Here you go.
Oh crap!
All right, let's see how I can see on this thing.
I'm gonna show it to my family.
What?
Tried to make sure it was my family. Oh shoot! Are you still going?
I don't know.
I think I'm on my body weight. Alright, let's go. get it over me?
You were,
That was good, probably.
well, you were in it.
That was good. That was worth it.
Tonight when we're freezing our ass off, right? Dark. Oh, we got somebody come help us, Justin.
Awesome, dude.
Somebody give us an extra wave.
Maybe they'll pull us, dude.
Something left more.
I ain't going right next to the lily pad. It was like Alec.
Dude, I feel like one gonna come up here.
He just recorded us. He tried to do it nonchalantly, but it didn't work.
He's like, okay, everybody get
Damn, we're against the current. I don't know if y'all remember this from the other video, but apparently the people that come out here and work on this have been hard at work. I don't know what the heck they're building, but they're building something. I got some good firewood out here. That's all I gotta say. Just kidding.
Man, we're here.
Maybe kidding. Oh, I thought you were pointing at somebody.
It's huge.
Oh my god! Dang, bro, what you doing? What are you doing out here, bro? This thing is huge. You think he hiding?
You want me to pick him up?
I can't see him.
Grab him, bro.
Ah, he was caught. I freed him.
Another life saved.
Do not do
Thumbnail. Oh! He's free now. I freed him. The people that live here tortured him. Held him there for days. Alright. Quick little update for the OG subscribers. Nice little bay in here. Perfect for alligators to come up during night. Or I'll see you all in the next clip. Ooh. Oh my god. Something bad got a hold of him. Nasty.
Yeah, the boat motor or Gata?
This is foreshadowing the clip later where we were getting attacked by alligators at night. And the Indian tribe. I did not like the way stepping on all those leaves felt. Poor guy. Didn't stand a chance. But that's life. And everyone can't Larry like that. Rihanna was the lone straggler. Yeah, we were over here in the one video. We were just chilling over there where the boat is. And some little weird ass kid pulled up his little John boat right here. Didn't say a word, walked over there past us. It was like really awkward because we were all just standing there like, okay, what's going on? I tried to talk to him, but he refused to talk. I love it down here. The best part is it's fresh water.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
So it's like we're not gonna be all sticky tonight.
That's the only part I was worried about. I was like, it'd suck where you had to go to bed all sticky. Yeah. That's nice though. We'll cast some lines right out here.
Y'all want to try it?
Yeah, I think so.
This would be nice. Throw it over there.
Yeah, right over there.
All right, we'll be back. So we're actually at the official Redneck Beach right now. I don't think we recorded last time we came here because it was too crowded, but pretty cool. Pretty cool spot. Some pretty cool little grill. And yeah. Cody's over there fishing, Janson's over here fishing, Rand's over here doing whatever the hell Randa does. Don't tell anybody, but nothing. Not even gonna tell y'all, can't be trusted.
Funny, better than the people who put it here.
Watch the video. Alright.
No, it's just really unstable.
Some weird table here held up by beer cans. We thought about camping here, but there's really no flat spot and it's kind of really exposed. So
How are you gonna put in the boat?
what? We really don't need them. We probably won't even take them. But yeah, let's go see what Cody's doing. Codered. Oh, Taylor and Hunter are gonna have to subscribe now to see Cody in action. Live action Cody.
Like, comment, and subscribe to get more content like this.
Seriously.
You might win the next giveaway.
Yeah, these were subscriber winners that won a free trip. Not so free, they paid for a lot of it. Semi-free trip. This is the one where Cody's gonna get it. This is it. Cody's about to reel in the big one. I mean, it's kind of hard to beat the 6 pound from earlier, but you know, he could do it.
Beggars can't be choosers, you know?
His best was 6. Jansen caught a 15-pound bass, but yeah. The GoPro's never where you need it. Holy cow, it's a deep drop off. Well, I'm shocked. Cody didn't catch anything. Dang.
I usually catch one every cast, you know?
Probably the first cast all day without a fish, for we're being honest.
It might be the spot, you know, they haven't got it here yet.
Yeah, we caught them all up there, so they're probably trying to run down here is what we figured. Trying to better their lives after the slaughtering we did to them. This is the boat. I don't know if I showed you all this yet or not, but I installed headlights for this trip. It's kind of jerry-rigged right now with all the green tape, but I promise Brianna's gonna buy me stuff to make it look better. If it's the last thing I do. Hopefully we are gonna go out tonight. I got the little red and green and the one that has to be above the motor light I gotta install, but they're just clip on, so we're gonna see if we can go out and maybe find a huge gator or something. That'd be kind of cool. Attack them. Not really, in case FWC's watching. But yeah, somebody needs to get a new flag out here. It's kind of lacking. Who put that there, I wonder? That's probably wasn't easy. Yeah, that whole thing boggles my mind. How'd the pole get there? How'd the flag get up there? Who knows? How'd Brianna get here? The SS Rev 2. Oh, I'll turn the lights on and show y'all. Who doesn't want to see the lights? So now 3 of my 4 switches work for something. So this one is the depth finder. This one's gonna be the bilge pump. And then this is the lights. The 4th one, I don't know what it's gonna be yet, but hopefully something cool. I thought about doing shrimping lights, but they're too expensive. There they are in full action. Hopefully we'll get some good clips tonight, but we'll see.